What's going on? Marty here. I'm at the Atlantic Highlands. I'm here with my boy Anthony and his cousin Sam. Sandy Hook. A lot of cool stuff going on. Huge military background. And yeah, it's that peninsula right over there. Let's take a closer look. Alright, so we're on a fishing beach right now. You can just park right here. Already you can see, right here we got ammo magazines right here. Check it out.
We found a bunker.
Yeah, I found a bunker.
This is like a pillbox?
Yeah, a pillbox.
2 guys in there and a machine gun.
Wow.
It's been filled up with,
Right
you
now
know,
it's just some garbage.
New Jersey trash, but the door, you can go around the back side, you can see the door that's there.
Oh yeah.
This has been a full-blown bunker facing out towards the water.
Yeah, over the years.
Yeah, over the years.
Kind of washed away.
Yeah, the water pulling the sand out.
So yeah, this stuff's just laying around. Now we're gonna walk down the beach. There's a Nike missile launch site, or whatever's left of it. So we're gonna take a closer look at that. On the map, it looks like it's just right on the beach too. So let's see. Hey guys, I think this is it right here. Nike missile launch site. This is definitely the missile site. It's just been deactivated. Decommissioned. That's the word. But I was looking at something on YouTube, right? Well, this guy was saying that they almost did launch one of those Nike missiles because a Russian plane was really close to the coast. Man, there's water in there. Dude, that's deep. That's stuff you gotta be one of the ventilations right here.
I'm saying, you know, it's only Cold War era,
Yeah.
and it's already returned to the earth.
Yeah, it's already decaying. That's what happens after a couple of decades. It just, especially being next to the sea.
Yeah, true.
Well, yeah, this is the launch site right here. I just saw a deer.
Oh dear.
Right over there. I just saw a deer. Yeah, I guess there's some wildlife around here. Does not say so, therefore we could go. This is the Bay Area, the Bay side of the peninsula. That I couldn't tell you what that is. Guys, I think I found something over here. Looks to me like a bunker. Found battery mills. Oh yeah. Check it out.
Door over there.
Hey, here's another one. No way, this one's open? Dang, that's why I want to bring a flashlight. Wow, it gets really dark in here. I think this calls for another adventure. I gotta come back here one day
With a good flashlight.
with a flashlight.
And a stick not hanging on your back.
What?
You got a stick hanging on your back.
A stick?
Yeah, and your your hood.
Oh, really? What? Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh man, dude, this is creepy. I'm coming back. Hold on, that's for another time. Had to be well equipped for this one. That's cool. Going back out there. Anthony, what are you doing?
Just looking at stuff.
Nothing wrong with that. It's like a labyrinth of passages under here. Crazy setup. Definitely need the right gear. So maybe for a future video. Guys, we gotta go this way. Because there's more stuff that way on the map. It's two magazines right on the shore. The ground is just pretty much all broken up. This is so eerie. The water's right there. Oh! I'm getting out of here. Almost got wet. Here's the second one. Where'd you guys go? Oh yeah, this one's a little bit more messed up. Oh yeah. Look at these platforms in here. You hear my echo? I see. Holy shit, slippery. Oh my god. Almost busted so much ass right now. I don't even know. I just started walking around and I almost slipped really bad over here. Good thing for these shoes I have. Whoa! Yep. Wow. Yeah, I don't even recommend coming in these kind of places. Just watch the videos, don't come here. So you're gonna get hurt. And you know what? You can only blame yourself. Gonna make the jump. Alright, we're heading back now. But this was Battery Mills. But if we went to the right, when we first saw the bay, there's Battery King, man. Wow, look at this one. That's insane. Holy crap. You need to preserve this. That is like where they carried it all. On rails. That's quite insane. And that's quite open. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Realized I was there. Let's not forget about anything over here. My backpack. Thank you for carrying my backpack this whole time. You got this. You good?
I'm a little fat. Hit my head.
This is probably where they kept the ammunition. What'd you think? Some of it, maybe. Ventilation. Guys, so it's another one over here. Pretty much the same exact thing. The layout of this one's kind of mirrored of the other one. I have a hunch that they're kind of connected. Maybe some more passages. I don't know. Gotta check it out. Pretty neat. Yeah, this is definitely World War II era. You know what it has to be? I think this is the center of it. I think this is where the two meet. On Google Earth, I saw 2 on the other side, but 3 facing this way. Openings. So they definitely are connected, all of them. And this is Battery Kingman.
I should have went to bed last night. That would have been a good idea.
Yeah, so right here, drove up a little. We got the Nike radar sight. You see right here, a couple of them lined up. Cold War era. Over here, actually says no trespassing, so we will obey their wishes. Oh yeah, you can see the ruins over here. Check it out. These are the Aerosmith batteries right here. You can see all behind me. Oh yeah, check this out. Stairs right here. Broken off.
Not that far of a drop.
Soft landing.
Yeah.
So these batteries were active from 1909 to 1920. So pretty much towards the end of World War I. So this dates even way back. If you want to know how a Nike missile looks like, kind of something like that. And we almost shot a Russian plane. Cold War technology. So this is Sandy Hook Lighthouse right here. Oldest working lighthouse in the United States, 1764. So right next to the lighthouse, we have batteries McCook and Reynolds. Oh yeah. The tracks lead back over here to a pit. It's where they would be firing all the way out to the sea. Oh yeah, slightly flooded and just keeps going. As you can see, they actually turn it on. What's up? Alright, this one right here is a battery Potter. This used disappearing artillery. And the thing about this one was these have elevators on it. And it will lower the gun down. And then reload the weapon, bring it back up, fire, bring it back down. And they were powered by steam. Which is kind of odd, but kind of cool. From 1889 to 1907, this was active, and for all those years, the steam was always powered, just in case something had to happen. This right here is the Sandy Hook Proving Grounds. Well, I believe they just test the weapons out. Oh my God, there's like so much deer on this peninsula. All right, guys, I'm at the last battery I want to show you. Cool thing about this one is the artillery is still here. I have to say this is probably the best preserved one. Has to be. one big gun. What kind of round do you think that thing takes?
6-incher.
Think so?
I know so.
Well, how's that?
Because the sign down there said it.
Can't argue with that. Man, look at that armor. Imagine getting hit by something like this. One kind of deflected. Not much, but better without, better than without it. And as you can see, like, these batteries are like ground level. Oh, I see there's a gun popping out. So yeah, all these batteries are part of Fort Hancock, and they're all placed here for one reason. Because our precious city is over there. Yeah, Battery Gunnison. Here's the other one. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm definitely making part 2. Because I kind of want to see what's in those bunkers. But, till next time, have a good one.